Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how you can enable 90 fps on any Android device, whether it will be Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, S21 Ultra or any OnePlus device or any other Android device. It should work on every device whatsoever the manufacturer. So let's get started. Now you have to first download Explore. I will give you the link in my description. As you can see, the spelling is Explore, this file manager. After downloading and installing, you should open it and give all the required permissions for it to work. Now go to your Android folder. Now into your data folder, search for, right now I am using the BGMI version of PUBG, that means for the Indian version. So you can use uh, for example PUBG global version or PUBG KR. Right now I'm using BGMI, that is for the Indian. So the folder name is com.pubg.imobile. If it is global, then it will be com.tencent.ig, or if it is Korean, the folder name will be com.pubg.kr. So whatever the version you are using, just go into your respective folders and open it. After opening, go into files. After files, as you can see, the UAE for game folder. Now the first thing you should be doing is renaming the UAE for game folder. So I have already renamed it. You should rename it to UAE for game 1. As you can see, the shadow tracker extra folder is 0 bytes, right? So now you should rename it to UAE for game 1. After renaming, you should download the UAE for game RAR file. I will give you the link in description. Just wait, let me show you that file. This, the size of the UAE for game folder will be 609 MB. You should download it and extract using any extractor app, for example ZArchiver or RAR Lab, any app. As you can see the properties of it, just wait, I will show you these properties. After extracting, it will be 647.6 MB. Just copy it and paste it into this, into files folder. Okay, just copy it and put it into files folder. I have already done that, so I should not be doing it. After doing that, there is one more file you should be downloading, and I will give you the link for it in the description. The file name is gamepatch 1.5.0.15338. You should just copy it into UAE for game shadow tracker extra saved and parks. Just copy it, press OK button, and it will show you three options: overwrite, copy, move. You should overwrite it. After overwriting, just close the app and open Battlegrounds Mobile India or PUBG Global or PUBG KR. Let it just get loaded. As you can see, it is 90 fps. It's not a scam or anything. I have turned on recording also, screen recorder. It is the same device from which I was showing you the Explore app. Let me just close it and let me show you the same Explore app and the same UI that I was a few minutes ago using that. As you can see, it's the same. Again, I will open the Petrol Launch Mobile India. It's anti-reset, which means the file is not just for one time use. Okay, you have to just copy it one time into the parks folder, which I was saying earlier, just one time, and the 90 fps will always be running. As you can see, balance, HD, HDR, Ultra HD, whatever you like the resolution to be. I always play on smooth. So I hope you like this video. Please give like and subscribe to my channel. I'm just new. I hope this video brings you a lot of happiness and technical glitch. Bye bye.